Hey guys, Jacob here, and today we want to show you a demo of our newest project, DataDoe, the AI analysis tool for Amazon sellers and agencies. The reason why we've built this tool is that there are so many different third-party tools, dashboards, Excel spreadsheets that you are all using. So today we want to show you a quick demo of what we have. So follow me on this journey and let's go to actually screen. Alright, so here in the DataDoe app, your AI Amazon consultant pretty much allows you to talk to your data. Here in this interface, you may actually see it very familiar to all of those LLM tools like Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, and others. We actually wanted to build it this way. Obviously, you cannot connect your Amazon accounts to those LLM tools, but here the biggest feature of it is that you actually can. And of course, there will be a lot of other features. Anyway, connections, both Seller Central and Amazon Advertisement. So SP API and Ads API, both of those for as many accounts as you want. You can connect, and similar with users, if you own the brand as a seller and you have multiple team members, they can all work from this space, and same for the agencies. You'll be able to assign various team members to various brands and also work from here. Now let's go to the chat, obviously the biggest feature of it all, and let's try a few queries and see what we can do. So maybe first let's see how the advertisement budget or actual spend affected the browser sessions in January 2025. So I just put the prompt, how did browser sessions change in conjunction with advertising spend in January 2025? Show it on one chart, so we'll have the report and actually see how it can do that. All right, so DataDoe actually tells you what it does, what kind of reports it uses, and then it can also prepare charts for you. So daily browser sessions and advertising spend in January 2025, and you can actually see it over time. Now the report without the actual explanation could be worthless, so let's ask to comment on this. Here we have information about general trends, high advertising spend days. It can actually tell you which days were pretty high, organic traffic, lagging effects, spending efficiency, consistency observations, and some of the recommendations. So this is one of the features that it can do. Of course, it will work only better and better. All right, so let's try something else. Let's see how our ASINs were sold. I'll put this query over there. All right, and we got the tree map of total units sold per ASIN. You can actually see various ASINs. You can actually go here and check it out, which ASIN was sold how many times. Now we can also do something very interesting. So we can actually calculate ad spend to total sales ratio for those ASINs. So let's do that. All right, so we have here various ASINs. We can see the ad spend, we can see total sales, ad spends to sales ratio. Just so you know, we are working on the data set that is anonymized, so those information, they are not accurate. However, what matters is actually the volume of the data that actually can do analysis to it. So yeah, that would be one of the other examples. We can also do something like, hey, what are the names of those products? All right, so we got the names of those ASINs. Let's try some other example. Let's check the sales per ASINs and analyze its distribution. So let me do that now. So I want to check bar chart of total sales value per ASIN in January. We have 16 ASINs here on this chart, and we see that 4 of them, they have much significant sales than the others, and we can actually play around with this data and ask it for it. Hey, I see that 4 out of 16 ASINs have significantly larger sales than the other. Should I worry about it? And it gives you the pretty nice answer, actually, that we should focus on the best sellers, do a diversification, something about the product improvement, market trends. So I'm not going to read it all. You can actually pause this video, read it all. Let's just continue. Now, I'll be asking, should I focus on balancing sales around ASINs, or is it better to focus on topping numbers for key products? And yeah, it gives you pretty much recommendations. So the same as you would be asking the Amazon consultant. So focusing on the key products, high return on investment, branding recognition, balancing sales across ASINs. It's about risk management here, opportunities for growth and recommendation. Now we can ask it, what metrics should I track to assess the balance of sales across ASINs? And give us the metrics such as total sales, total units sold, average conversion rate, total sessions, sales per session, inventory turnover, revenue contribution. So very interesting insights. Let's maybe give it one more test and ask about sales on a specific date. So what was my top selling ASIN on March 1st? All right, we got this ASIN with 186 units sold. Now we can also aggregate the data. So what were my total sales for all ASINs on March 1st? Your total sales for all ASINs is amounted to around $46K. Pretty cool. And we can also do something like how many units were ordered across all ASINs on March 1st. And we can see that, hey, we got 988 units across all ASINs. So yeah, that would be it just for this quick demo video. There will be a lot of more demos right now. We are working on making it more stable, making it also to the public. Every Friday, we will be making the updates on our changelog on our website. If you actually want to check out this tool, go to DataDoe.com. There's a form, put your email and we'll get you on a waitlist. We plan to launch it pretty soon and we are super excited for this product. Every comment matters. We really want to build it in public. We really wanted to build it for you. So please make sure to comment on what features you like, what you didn't like, what should we actually focus on more, and we'll make sure to read those comments and actually apply them to our roadmap. Thanks a lot guys for watching. Follow our journey on building DataDoe in public and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.